everyone. So today I've got this mystery package and I've also got this Squeezamos. Now, I'm going to do the Squeezamos before I do the mystery box because this is a mystery. You won't see it until the end. And this is scented strawberry. And her name is Velvet Cupcake right here. Then my brother, he got this one here. Then my other brother got this one. So we're gonna take the tag off of her. Then here she is. Okay, so now let's do the mystery box. There's a little air pocket right here, so now this is some thick tape. Very hard. It's really hard. Okay. Okay. So we've got this. I think it is. So it's called Motto Simply Good Dough. Let's see what it's all about. We got to just kind of do that. This little thing right here, then you can just, kind of rip it open. Look at that. Whoa. You've got some Play-Doh type of stuff. Oh, this is pretty good. Feels pretty nice. So that feels really good. Then we have got, we've got these Squeezamos that are in these little packaging, and they're smaller than this one. So it says collect them all, plus mystery Squeezamos inside. Okay, I'm liking the sound of that. So I'm figuring this is gonna be the mystery Squeezamo right in this little box here. But I'm going to show you these little guys first. So, they stick together. There you go. Okay, so there's this little thing here. That's very cute. And then we've got this one. And then we'll open the mysteries a little after we see all the other ones up close. Let's see. Ooh, this one's kind of hard. There we go. Gotta use it. Okay, so. Oh, there's a little baby unicorn. It's a big fluffy unicorn. And then I think this might be a turtle without a shell. So you've got those little minis. Now we are going to open the mysteries. Whoa, now this, wow. It's a little fishy. Aww. So it's a little fishy in like silver coating. These little gills in his tail right there. Okay, then we have got there. Oh, this little, I don't know what you call it. I think it's supposed to be an octopus. So, yeah. I will review all the stuff we have done. And here is all of them together. They are very cute. Now, then we've also got this. So, yeah, that was it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, like and subscribe. Bye!